Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on a culinary journey with a dish that's bursting with flavors, crab coconut curry. This fresh crab was purchased from the Gulf of Mannar store in Bangalore. There they serve fresh seafood that is obtained directly from the Gulf of Mannar, which is situated between Sri Lanka and India. They clean it and pack it for you. As the crab was nicely washed and packed, I just had to clean it twice and it's ready for cooking. For the curry, here I'm taking some coconut with some cumin seeds and some water. Make it into a paste and keep it aside. Now into a pan, add some coconut oil, add some cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and bay leaf. Add finely chopped onions and saute it till the raw smell goes. Add one green chili with some curry leaves and saute it. Add ginger and garlic paste. Saute for some time, then add in finely chopped tomato. Saute it and cook till the tomatoes gets mushy. Once the tomatoes are nicely cooked, add the powders like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and some pepper powder. Saute it for some time. Then add the salt. Now add the crab pieces. Give it a mix with the masalas. Now add the coconut paste. Now add some water, around 1 cup, mix it nicely, cover it and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes on a medium to high flame till the crab get cooked nicely. Now the crab is perfectly cooked. Finally add some curry leaves on top, close the lid and keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it. This crab coconut curry with steamed rice or some warm fluffy naan bread for a complete delightful meal. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!